To import data from Excel to Google Sheet. Have an Excel file gathering dust? Let's bring it into Google Sheet and make it cloud smart. Importing takes seconds and no more formulas get left behind. So, how you can do is by open your Google Sheet in your phone or your laptop or in web browser. Then after, go to files and there you can see the option of import. Here you'll see the option of my drive, shared with me, recent and uploads. Tap on upload and tap on browser. Browser opens to your device file and look for the file of Excel that you want to open. Then tap on, then select it and insert it over here. Over here you can see replace sheet, insert new sheet, create new spreadsheet. According to your desired choice or requirement, you can do it and then tap on import data. There you go. Your data has been automatically imported over here. Now you can import or export your data easily in Excel.